Today I am reviewing the HOTO Electric Screwdriver Kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Are you tired of fumbling with traditional screwdrivers for your home repair, furniture assembly, or garage projects? Meet the HOTO Electric Screwdriver Kit, an upgraded and versatile tool designed to make your DIY projects faster, easier, and more precise. This isn't just any cordless screwdriver. It's a complete all-in-one solution packed with features that deliver convenience, power, and accuracy for every user, whether you're a professional or a home DIY enthusiast. First off, let's talk about the premium 25-piece bit set included in this kit. The HOTO Electric Screwdriver comes with 25 durable S2 steel bits, each with a 60 HRC hardness rating, meaning they're built to last and resist even after repeated use. The set includes one extended PH2 bit for hard-to-reach screws and 24 standard bits, giving you the versatility to tackle almost any task. The bits are housed in a compact magnetic storage case with a smooth magnetic lid that keeps everything neatly organized, so you never have to dig through your toolbox looking for the right piece. The ergonomics and control of the HOTO Electric Screwdriver are truly impressive. It features 3 adjustable torque settings, allowing you to tailor the power to the task at hand. In electric mode, it delivers up to 4 Nm of torque, perfect for light assembly or delicate electronics. Switch to manual mode, and you get up to 8 Nm, giving you extra control for tougher screws. The built-in smart sensor also stops rotation as soon as you release the button, ensuring safe, precise, one-handed operation every time. This makes it ideal for furniture assembly, installing shelves, or any repair work around the house. Powering this tool is a long-lasting 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery. Using the convenient Type-C charging port, you can fully recharge the screwdriver in under 150 minutes. This means minimal downtime and more uninterrupted work. You can rely on this battery for consistent performance across multiple tasks, whether you're tightening cabinet screws, assembling furniture, or performing small garage repairs. Another standout feature is the Shadowless circular LED light built into the screwdriver. This clever design illuminates dark corners and narrow spaces, giving you a clear view of your work area. It's especially handy for working inside cabinets, behind appliances, or in any dimly lit environment where visibility is key. The HOTO Electric Screwdriver Kit comes fully loaded with all the essentials you need. One electric screwdriver, an extension rod for hard-to-reach spots, 24 S2 bits, one extended PH2 bit, and the sleek magnetic storage case. Everything is designed for ease of use, portability, and long-term durability. The combination of stylish, modern appearance with practical functionality makes it a tool that looks as good as it performs. In short, this HOTO Electric Screwdriver Kit is a game-changer for anyone who values speed, precision, and convenience. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer, a furniture enthusiast, or simply want a reliable tool for home repairs, this kit delivers consistent power, smart features, and long-lasting durability. With its rechargeable battery, adjustable torque settings, shadowless LED, and premium bit collection, it's designed to make every project easier, faster, and more enjoyable. If you're ready to upgrade your DIY toolkit and save time on assembly and repair tasks, the HOTO Electric Screwdriver Kit is a smart, practical, and high-quality choice that won't disappoint.